My prima facie eligible to file for a VAWA petition? In this video, we are going to be talking about the eligibility requirements for a VAWA petition. My name is Bijoux Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer, as you know it, based here in DC. However, I do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex U.S. immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back and thank you for subscribing. Please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, you go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. Links are in the description box below. Number one, we have to establish that you have a qualifying abuser, okay? Number two, we have to establish that you have a relationship with the qualifying abuser. Qualifying abuser can be the spouse, can be the parent, and can be the child. So once we establish that, when it comes to spouses, we have to go further and establish that you got into that marriage in good faith. Good faith marriage with the intent to remain married, okay? However, abuse took place. Number three, we have to be able to establish that you suffer battery or extreme cruelty. When we talk about extreme cruelty in the context of immigration, the totality of circumstances, we go with the totality of circumstances because we cannot really define, in other words, define it so specifically. Let's say the person was physically abused, or the person was emotionally abused, financially abused, abandoned, humiliated. All these above can be considered as extreme cruelty, okay? Number four, residence with the abuser. We have to show that at some point you resided with the abuser, but not that this number four requirement has loosened up a little bit with USCIS. As far as establishing residence with the abuser. Number five, current residence in the U.S. We have to establish that you actually live in the U.S. Well, your affidavit really can establish that. But if you don't live in the U.S., it doesn't mean that you haven't met the requirement of this VAWA petition filing, because you might have left because of maybe deportation or something, and you don't live in the U.S., current residency is not in the U.S. At that point, your case is going to go through consular processing. NVC is going to refer your case to the consulate, okay, where you currently reside. That's where they are going to process your VAWA petition, okay? And number six, we have to establish good moral character. Are you a person of good moral character? Yes, if you are. How do you establish that? My friend, you are going to have to do the criminal record, okay? We're gonna get your criminal record, you're gonna get fingerprinted, we're gonna get your record and show that you don't have any criminal activities or you haven't been charged. And if you have been charged, then we have to really see how we're gonna mitigate those circumstances, okay? And show you as a good person with affidavit of support and so forth. And maybe the charges have been vacated, or conviction has been vacated, or maybe it's a lesser conviction. Maybe a waiver can waive that, stuff like that. So we can pretty much work your case and present it to USCIS in the best light possible, so that you can establish that prima facie eligibility requirement for a VAWA petition. In the consultation, my friend, 202-751-2180. Email bijoux.ngwandaesq@gmail.com. Consultation fee apply as usual, or you can schedule your consultation on your own time, okay, by using the consultation link in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.